We'll never ask anyone to do anything they don't feel comfortable doing. There needs to be an element of challenge, so we do get people standing up, lunging and squatting.
Being in the class and doing it with everybody else, I think, is a big help.
The bike bus is a really important way of creating an environment in which they can be active. A lot of young people now come into school by car, and that's probably the huge thing that we notice on the bike buses, that social interaction.
And my breathing is way better, and energy levels. Stick to what your advisor is telling you, and stick to your weekly clinic appointments. It all helps, it all adds to it.
Alicia has dialysis 3 to 4 times a week here. She has kidney disease, so now she can have about 4 tablets in one go at times with the same amount of fluid.
We've thought about it for some time, and that's how we came up with the idea of taking sort of exercises to the schools to get children fitter and to make them stronger and improve their balance for the long term, so they don't hopefully have so many problems in the future.
So today we're opening up the Canolfan Iechyd Genomic Cymru. It's a new genomic facility in Wales. It's bringing together 3 organisations: the All Wales Medical Genomics Service, the Wales Gene Park and the Pathogen Genomics Unit, PENGU. So it's the first time this has ever been tried. It's unique for Wales and it's a real game changer.
It stands for System for Tracking and Managing Patients, and it started in June about 18 months ago. Just about our need as an organisation to understand where patients are in the system, what is the thing that they're waiting for, and where are critical points where resources are being constrained, and to capture that digitally in a way that was useful for staff and patients to have an impact on them.
Despite diversity, we have pulled together once again to support one another and achieved so many new milestones in the delivery of healthcare services to the population and communities we serve.
Happy Christmas, and I wish you very well for a happy new year.
Being given the permission to wear trainers to work or wear comfortable shoes to work makes such a difference for how we feel we can get up and about and on our feet again.
The human papillomavirus,
or HPV for short,
is a very common virus that is usually passed through skin-to-skin contact.
And all it takes is a simple vaccine.
Within certain communities, uptake for things like screening and immunisations is a lot lower. So we felt that if we could bring our community and our healthcare professionals together to answer what those questions are and hopefully dispel the myths around a lot of those things.
Happy International Nurses Day.
Happy International Nurses Day.
Happy International Nurses Day.
Happy International Nurses Day.
Alongside 2 other women, Jean and Polly, I've decided to take part in an Atlantic row. So next January we will leave Lanzarote and we will row 3,200 miles across the Atlantic Ocean over to Antigua.
Patients or their relatives and carers can use these digital screens to check in. The e-triage screen is user-friendly. You simply need to input basic details about yourself and your condition, including your name, date of birth, and reason for attending the unit.
As there is no medical treatment for measles, vaccination is the best form of defence against becoming seriously unwell.
The measles, mumps and rubella vaccine, or MMR for short, is offered in 2 doses by GPs to all children.